the good you do for mankind. Our struggle is to better the lives of our people. Some of us may not be, I don't know when it will happen. I usually use the example of the Israelites in Egypt. They were in Egypt for 430 years before they got independence. So the people who were enslaved, the first generation all died, second generation all died, third died, until the fifth generation when Moses was born. That was the fifth generation that got independence and left Egypt and went to their promised land. But how did they sustain that knowledge, their indigenous identity as a people, without being subsumed or consumed, or without being dissolved, assimilated?